DJs. Today we got AmTrack coming. It said it had private cars, and I hope it stays on there. It said 160 was gonna stay on there today. Yep, it's 160 though, I see though. 160 on here first. Let's see. Let's see if it's with the private cars. Please, like, fingers crossed, bro. It's with the private cars. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Private cars. Private cars, y'all. Private cars, y'all, we never see before. Yeah, right there, y'all. It's rare. I will see you on the cut. I'm back. Hello, y'all. I'm back. We have AmTrack coming, but those private cars enjoy. And 160. Private cars rolling to New Iberia. The New Iberia rail fenders. You can see this rare AmTrack. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye.